This is the SMALLRIG Magnetic Mount Adapter for DJI Action 5 Pro, 4 and 3. Quick release aluminum base with 1/4-inch thread and foldable connector for tripods, selfie sticks, etc. It is $19.90 and coupons are available. I say we check it out. Really tiny writing, but it is a small box, so. Okay, let's see how we get this open. There it is. If I can do this without hurting myself. We are here for you. Oh, my thumbs don't work. There we go. So, nothing big. Guarantee card. All the paper packaging. Ooh, that's nice. Aluminum, silicone. It's got the little fold down for GoPro. Those, I don't know if they're plastic. No, they're metal. Those are metal. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see how well it hooks up. Whoa. Dang. Right on. It's like it wanted to go on there. It said, give me it. Oh yeah, that's right there. Yeah, it just says, nope, give it to me. I like it. Very nice. We'll buy again.